We just subscribed to the Fire Culture Club, and you should too. Period.
So let's check out Lanchero de Pollo, just because why not? Gonna get myself a Nashville hot chicken sandwich because that's like one of the only things on the menu. It just sounds good right now. Here's my Nashville hot chicken sandwich. It's got that chicken in there. It smells the spice. It's got some pickles, some coleslaw, and some seasoned fries. You can't go wrong with that. So let's dig into the spicy chicken goodness. So the hot chicken sandwich. It was 2 chicken strips, had the hot sauce on there and some coleslaw. Some pickles that were really good. Oh, I love pickles. They're like one of my favorites. And just a basic chicken sandwich. It wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty good. You know, it was nice, hot, and fresh, and kind of hit the spot for lunch today on this sour, rainy Six Flags day. Haven't had myself some chopsticks in quite a while, so let's head on up and see what they have. All about the orange chicken or the beef and broccoli and the fried rice. Not quite sure which one I'm gonna get yet, but I'll let you know as soon as I get it. $0.99 later, 99 cents later. But hey, it seems like it's everything nowadays, right? So here's the beef and broccoli that I got from Chopsticks here at Six Flags Over Texas. I mean, it's kind of a very, very small portion, but hey, that's okay. Smells good. And let's just dig into that broccoli, meaty, ricey goodness. Well, I really do feel that Chopsticks is like downgraded. That was like just very flavorless and wasn't that great in general. I mean, it was edible, I guess you can say, but that's pretty much about it. So I'm very much so a fan of Redemption. So let's go to Macho Nacho and see what happens today. Because they have a walking taco and they didn't have that last time I was here. So let's see if it improved and what's good at Macho Nacho. So you guys totally know I went with the walking taco. It's got all kinds of scrumptious goodness in here. I got Doritos, it's got a bunch of chips, it's got some cheese, it's got some meat. Oh, it's super good. And shout out to the crew at Macho Nachos. They were insanely cool. It's super fun to like just hang out with. So they're all having a Six Flags day. That was totally awesome in every Six Flags Doritos and walking taco type of way. So like I said, I'm very much so a fan of Redemption, and I decided to go to Macho Nacho again and try it again because I had a walking taco this time. They didn't have it last time I was here, and I'll definitely say that was probably some of the worst nachos that I ever had on the previous visit, which is included in the Foodies of Six Flags series. And this time, I must say, totally redeemed itself. It was super good, it was hot, it was flavorful, had awesome, a ton of good stuff in there, and plus the staff working was awesome in so many fun ways. They're super friendly and just totally having a Six Flags day. I mean, you can't go wrong with that either way. This might be one of my favorite things to get at Six Flags, guys. Cheetos popcorn. I mean, come on. I haven't had that since I was at Magic Mountain. You can get it here on the dining pass too, which is incredibly awesome. So let's get some Cheeto popcorn goodness. So you know I totally got some of that Cheetos popcorn. Look at that. It's got Cheetos all over it. It's all cheesy goodness. I already know it's going to be good because this is one of my favorite things to get at Six Flags. So let's dig on into that cheesy goodness. Now, that Cheetos popcorn is the only popcorn that rivals Disney popcorn because it's so good. All the cheesy, Cheeto cheesy goodness, you can't really ever go wrong with that. So good in so many cheesy ways. I mean, it wouldn't be going to Texas if I didn't go get some barbecue. So let's go on into JB's and get some barbecue cute goodness. All queued up and barbecued. You totally know I got a brisket sandwich. Scrumptious meat. It came with some fries as well. So let's dig on in and have some Texas barbecue at the park. So that actually might be one of my favorite things that I've had at this park. Like the brisket sandwich is actually super good. The meat was really tender. It was really flavorful. Had a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Fries are fries, you know? Unless they're like really crazy seasoned fries, they're just fries. So yeah, honestly, like that was really good. And I would totally come back and get that again because who doesn't love like some awesome smoked brisket? I mean, there was a good stack of it on there and it was just super flavorful and so good in so many JB's types of ways. So the Texas Taco Bar and street tacos, oh for sure. Let's go get some. Here's the random scrumptiousness that they have in here, guys. You get some tacos for sure. And I'm totally gonna get some sopilas too because this just sound really good. Something else that's kind of cool is they have 2 freestyle machines in here too. These are the only ones in the park that I've seen, guys. So definitely stop by and fill up your cup because I know I'm always looking for those too. So here's the tacos that I got. I got barbacoa and there's a lot of tortilla in there so far, but we're gonna check it out because that could be deceiving. It also came with some chips as well. And they gave me 2 salsas of the red and 1 salsa of the green. So let's dig on in and see how scrumptious this actually is. I also got some sopilas as well, and they basically look like crazy little fried doughs. There's a bunch of cinnamon sugar on there. They smell really good, so only time will tell. Let's dig on in and have some scrumptiousness. Well, let's start off with the sopilas. They were like, literally reminded me of an elephant ear. They had cinnamon sugar on them and they were just like a chunk of fried dough. Like they weren't the best thing ever, but they definitely weren't like the worst. Just like reminding me of like square kind of elephant ears in their own way. And the barbacoa tacos, like there was actually more meat in there than it really looked like it. So they were actually pretty good. They had some flavor to it. And then the green salsa was a little bit better than the red one. Threw that on top of it to make it that much more scrumptious because you know you can't ever go wrong with some tacos because tacos are life in so many ways. Like definitely one of the other better things I was in this park because I don't know, I feel like the food in this park has improved a lot over the last year, because it definitely wasn't as good as it wasn't that good last year. Like pretty much anything that I got, so it's kind of cool. Maybe they improved on some of it, so kind of stoked for over Texas. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Foodies of Six Flags. Hope you enjoyed all the random scrumptious goodies that I always seem to find. And you just can't ever go wrong whenever you go to the park. Always go seek out everything. Go check out everything before you even try to find what you want. It's always one of my favorite ways to do that, because you never know what you're going to come up on that way. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random foodie episodes I might film for you. Definitely check out the other ones that are in the series, because there's quite a bit of them now. So love you all. Peace.